Samsung is preparing to make a significant impact in 2024 with the launch of the Galaxy S24 series, and early details are already generating excitement. Here's a look at what we can expect. Design improvements. The S24 Ultra is set to feature a sleek design with thinner screen borders and a smaller front camera hole, enhancing the phone's visual appeal. Button placement. Samsung is refreshing the look of the S24 Ultra by relocating the power and volume buttons lower on the frame, giving it a modern and updated feel. S Pen enhancements. S Pen users can look forward to a new flat tip, promising an improved writing experience. This indicates a focus on enhancing the stylus's functionality. Size and weight. The S24 Ultra will be slightly more compact than its predecessors, measuring 162.5 mm in height and weighing 233 grams, making it more ergonomic. Powerful specifications. Despite its smaller size, the S24 Ultra is expected to be a powerhouse, equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, a hefty 12 GB of RAM, and storage options up to 1 TB. This combination suggests a focus on high performance and ample storage. As the launch date of the Galaxy S24 series nears, Samsung seems committed to refining its smartphones, balancing stylish design with significant feature upgrades. This strategy is likely to appeal to a wide range of users, from tech enthusiasts to everyday consumers looking for a reliable and high-performance device. Stay tuned for more detailed updates as the official launch of the Galaxy S24 series approaches.